Greg is getting ready to make his debut. Guys, if you are looking to adopt a new family member, you really need to consider Greg. Greg is a 10-year-old mini pinscher mix, and he's a shelter transfer from the South Jordan shelter. So we would love to find Greg a home that he'll be able to live in happily ever after. You can see his demeanor is awesome. He's a super cute dog and super friendly. So we're gonna head inside the studios now so Greg can make his debut, so check it out.
We've got Yoshi here with Greg.
Greg.
Thanks for bringing in Greg from the Humane Society of Utah.
Yes, my pleasure.
What
a formal name, or
I know.
Gregory.
Greg, I've never heard a dog named Greg. This is the first.
You know what's funny is our neighbors and friends have a dog named Greg.
Really?
And that was the first. I was surprised to hear another one.
Yeah. Well, this is the second Greg. Greg is a 10-year-old mini pinscher, and he's just a transfer from the South Jordan shelter. So he needs a home. He hasn't had a home for quite some time. We don't know a ton about him, but you can see he's super cute and super well behaved.
Yeah.
He is about 11 pounds, and as I mentioned, 10 years old, so we really want to get him a home quickly. And he also is a name your own price dog, so you can't beat that.
And little dogs live such a long time, so really,
yeah,
that's not an old age.
That's not an old age. Anyone who adopts Greg into their family should have Greg for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and he's absolutely just a fun little ball of joy. When he saw that I was coming to pick him up, he was super excited and literally jumped into my arms.
Really?
Yeah, that's never happened before.
He's like, this is my day.
Even with you, Yoshi? I'm surprised. That's a first.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Okay, here's the number right here for Humane Society of Utah. It's 801-261-2919. Ask for Greg.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yoshi Strachey, the host of the real estate show, Utah Home Sweet Home, which airs every Saturday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. on K-Talk Radio 1640 a.m. I'm also the host of the show, $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour $1 million homes right here in this beautiful state of Utah. I'm also a real estate agent, a real estate investor. I fix and flip houses, and I'm also a national public speaker. And on this channel, we're going to talk everything real estate as well as everything Utah, because this beautiful state has a lot to offer. And if you're looking to get to know more about real estate and real estate investing, or just purchasing your very first owner-occupied home, you've come to the right place.